Oh man, where are they at? Oh, I'm on my car part. Damn. I know, dog. I just want to go fast too, Robbie. I just want to go fast too. Yeah, dude. Stop block a whole 300 horsepower. 942. Dude, did you see those new rotiforms Crispy got? I just want my car parts. Hey, how are you? Oh yeah. Whoa! Yes! Yes! Yeah. Hey, thank you so much, man. You made my day, brother. Thanks, man. Yeah, make sure to subscribe, bro. Alright, so the reason why I went with these instead of R888s, for one, R888s aren't good in any weather condition besides summer days. I live in Delaware. That's the East Coast. Chances are it's going to be miserable outside. I need something with some grip. And another thing that really kind of threw me off is like the R888s only last like 3,000 miles. Maybe if you baby them, you can get like 6,000 out of them. That's it. If anybody's got more miles than 3 to 6K, comment down below. I'd love to hear your story. But these on the threads are like the best. Like, people have gotten 20,000 miles out of these bad boys. And 15 all day. And these things have real deep grooves. So I can go through the water, rain. Yeah, it's not going to be something that if it's pouring crazy to use these, or if it's snowing. Like, nah, I don't, obviously, but I won't drive the car. But regular conditions, these will hold. These last longer. They're very sticky, and they're new age design. So this whole design right here is made to grip even better than the R888. Some people say these are better. And you know, there's going to be people that aren't biased, that they're going to be stuck on R888s. I'm not comparing and saying, oh, I got this kind, so this is better. R888s are what I've wanted for a long time. But I decided to go with these because they made more sense. If I'm going to spend $600, now $600 for some cars, you might be like, that's not a lot of money. These are 15-inch wheels we're talking about. We're not talking about 19s or 18s. We're talking about 15-inch wheels. They're $150 a piece. That's a lot of money for a tire, and I can't wrap my mind around getting a season, if that, out of them and have to replace them. I just don't want to do that. And the threads were the best. I went on Fitment Industries. Shout outs to them. They had nothing but best to say about this. This has a new technology. They're great. They're incredible. You know. Another side note, too. I'm really in debate if I want to get tire lettering. Yeah, that's right. Tire lettering, like Kev. So, if you guys think I should do that, let me know. If you guys think that's ricer, let me know down in the comments. I'm really interested to see what people say because I did a poll on Instagram and pretty much it was a 50-50. Some people wanted it, some people didn't. So, I'm leaving it up to you guys. They won't be permanent, so I think I'm going to try it. And if they don't come out that good, then I'll just, I don't know, I'll just take them off. So, yep, these are the tires. I hope you guys are excited. Alright, so we got another package. So far we have the Toyota Proxes R1R's, the Gorilla Lug Nuts, and we got something else. Now, this is not something cosmetic. This is something that nobody will know or really care about. This is for the real race car guys, because this channel is about race cars. So at the end of the day, we're going to make sure we can go fast. So if you know what that means, you probably should, because you gotta. Oh, man. Yep, that's right, S300. So I got Hondata S300 version 3. This is Bluetooth. This is the newest one that's available. I needed this because it's an engine tuning software. And pretty much I was going to do an old school way with a chipped ECU and go off chrome. But in reality, that's not really the best way to go about things. They don't really perform the way you want. And now, mind you, I want to be safe, reliable. This has a lot of safety features that Chrome doesn't have. This has a lot of stuff to protect it. It's plug and play, data log. So much easier just to get this, put it in the ECU, and instantly go get tuned instead of having to go back and forth. Because I had a bad experience before with Chrome. I tried to get my EM1 tuned, and it was a fucking nightmare. So I was like, you know what? Let me just buy this and stop being a cheap ass. So if you got a B series, H series, I don't know, F series, maybe F series, D series, you better have this. If you don't, you're slacking. And it's funny because Greg got salty when he knew I got this because, you know, he's been itching to go a little faster in his EM1, so. Now you gotta step your game up, Greg! Alright, and this is what it looks like. Honda S300 version 3, the latest version they have, Bluetooth capability, a bunch of safety features. This thing is what you need. And yeah, I really couldn't go fast without it. And I didn't want to go on Chrome like I originally intended. So I said, you know what, forget it. We're going Hondata, we're going all out, baby. But I'm about to run out of battery and I don't feel like recalibrating the gimbal. So I hope you guys like this video. If it's your first time, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell. You guys know what every famous YouTuber already tells you. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed these car parts. I have 2 more car parts coming in. Fortunately, they weren't here. I'll get those car parts. I'll do another episode. And I will be uninstalling them. We'll be getting the tires and wheels put on soon. And I'm doing a different color for Project Integra. I'm ditching Daytona Yellow and doing something different. So, hope you guys love me like I love you. Peace!